Yes sir, good morning everyone. Good to be back. So continuous pa rin tayo do sa new habit natin to jog daily for 30 minutes now. After 15 days, I'll be honest, nag-skip ako for 3 to 5 days I guess. Sabi ng utak ko parang tinabad na siguro kasi tapos na yung goal eh. But how to keep up with the new habit that we want to build. So how to keep up with the new habit that we want to build? So there's a 1-day rule na hindi ka pwede mag-skip ng 2 days straight dun sa habit na gusto mong i-build. The secret is to, I think, sa mga nabasa ko, to get back on track and do it for 2 to 8 months. So let's do it. Yes sir.